Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Talk Flora. We are so happy to see you.
That's right. Hello to our amazing listeners from all around the world. Whether you are listening in the morning, the afternoon, or late at night, we are glad you are here with us. I'm Jack.
And I'm Emma. Jack, can you believe it?
Believe what, Emma?
Can you believe that we are at the end of the year? I looked at my calendar this morning and I was shocked.
I know exactly what you mean. It feels like just yesterday it was January, and now, boom, it is December. The year flew by so fast.
It really did fly by, and that is exactly what we are going to talk about today. This is a very special episode because we are talking about New Year.
Yes, this is one of my favorite topics. We're going to talk about how to celebrate, the special words we use in English, and the feelings we have when the year changes.
It is a time of emotions, isn't it? It's a time to be happy, but also a time to think.
Absolutely. It is a mix of emotions. But Emma, before we dive into the deep conversation, we have to remind our friends of something important.
Oh, yes. If you enjoy learning English with us, if you want to speak naturally and fluently, please support our channel.
Please hit that subscribe button right now. It's red, it's right there, and it helps us so much. And don't forget to like this video.
Yes, give it a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that this lesson is helpful. And share it with a friend. Learning English is always more fun with a friend.
Okay, Emma, let's get started. When you think of New Year, what is the first word that pops into your head?
The first word, that is a good question. I think the first word is celebration.
Celebration. That is a great word.
Yes, to celebrate means to do something special for a happy occasion. We have parties, we have music, we have food.
Right, but there are specific words for New Year that English learners need to know. Can we teach them a few key phrases first?
I think that is a brilliant idea. Let's start with the most famous one, resolution.
Ah, the famous New Year's resolution. This is a big word. R-E-S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N.
It sounds serious, doesn't it?
It does. So Emma, what exactly is a resolution?
A resolution is basically a promise. It's a promise you make to yourself. You decide to change something in your life or to set a new goal starting on January 1st.
Exactly. It's like saying, New Year, new me.
New year, new me. I love that phrase. It's very catchy. So, Jack, give us an example. What is a common resolution?
Well, the most common one, and I think everyone knows this one, is to get in shape.
Oh, that is a good idiom. Get in shape. Can you explain that?
Sure. To get in shape means to exercise, to lose weight, and to become healthy physically. You see, the gyms are always full in January.
They are packed. You can't even find a treadmill. Everyone is running and lifting weights because their resolution is to get in shape.
But what about you, Emma? Do you have a resolution for this coming year?
I do. I've been thinking about it a lot. This year, my resolution is to learn a new skill. I really want to learn how to paint with watercolors.
Wow, really? An artist? I didn't know you were creative like that.
Well, I don't know if I am good at it yet, but that is the point of a resolution. It is about trying something new. What about you, Jack? Be honest.
Okay, I will be honest. My resolution is to save money.
That is a very practical one. Very smart.
Yeah, last year I spent too much money on coffee and gadgets, so my goal is to cook more at home and stop buying things I don't need.
I support you, Jack. You can do it.
Thanks, Emma. But you know, there is a verb we use with resolutions. We say to keep a resolution or to break a resolution.
Yes, this is important grammar. If you succeed, you keep it. If you fail, you break it.
And sadly, many people break their resolutions by February.
That is true, but don't worry if you break it. Just try again.
Exactly. Okay, what is the next word?
The next word is countdown.
Ooh, the countdown. This is the most exciting part.
It is. A countdown is when you count numbers backwards, usually from 10 down to 0.
10, 9, 8.
7, 6, 5.
And we do this right before midnight on New Year's Eve.
Wait, Jack, we should clarify. What is New Year's Eve?
Good point. New Year's Eve is December 31st. It is the last night of the old year, the day before New Year's Day.
Right, so on New Year's Eve at 11:59 p.m., everyone watches the clock, and in the last 10 seconds, everyone shouts together.
It is such a magical feeling. I get goosebumps just talking about it.
Me too. It's like the whole world is doing the same thing at the same time.
And when we hit 0, what happens?
We shout, Happy New Year, and usually there are fireworks.
Fireworks! Those are the beautiful, colorful explosions in the sky. Boom, crackle.
They are so loud and so pretty. I love watching fireworks. Do you like them, Jack?
I love them, but my dog hates them.
Aw, poor puppy.
Yeah, he hides under the bed. But for humans, they're beautiful. Now, Emma, after the countdown, people usually do something with a glass in their hand.
Yes, this is our next vocabulary word. It is a toast.
Now, learners, be careful. We are not talking about bread.
No, not the toast you eat for breakfast with butter.
Although I do love toast with butter.
Focus, Jack.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
In this context, a toast is when you raise your glass, maybe it has champagne, maybe juice, maybe water, and you say something kind or hopeful.
Right, you lift the glass up and say, to a great year, or cheers to our friendship.
Exactly. And then everyone drinks. It is a gesture of celebration and good luck.
We can also use it as a verb. You can say, let's toast to the new year.
That sounds so elegant. Let's toast. I feel fancy just saying it.
You are fancy, Emma.
Thank you. Okay, I have one more really good idiom for our listeners. This one is very native. It is to ring in the new year.
Oh, that is a classic. Ring in the new year.
It means to celebrate the moment the new year begins.
Yes. You might ask a friend, how are you going to ring in the new year?
And they might answer, I'm going to ring in the new year at a party, or I'm going to ring in the new year watching TV.
It comes from the old tradition of ringing church bells at midnight.
That makes sense. See, learning English is also learning history.
It really is. So, Emma, speaking of ringing it in, what are your actual plans this year? What are you doing on December 31st?
Well, I am actually a bit of a homebody.
A homebody. That is a great word. Tell them what that means.
A homebody is someone who likes to stay at home. I prefer being comfortable rather than being in a crowded place, so I am having a small gathering.
A gathering. That's like a small party.
Yes, just my family and maybe 2 or 3 close friends. We are going to make a big dinner.
That sounds lovely. What's on the menu?
We are going to make tacos.
New Year's tacos? I love that.
Why not? It's fun, it's easy, and everyone can make their own. Then we will play board games.
Board games are the best. Monopoly, Scrabble.
Maybe not Monopoly. We want to stay friends. Monopoly always causes fights.
That is so true. Monopoly destroys friendships.
So we will play something fun and easy, and then turn on the TV to watch the celebrations in New York City.
The famous ball drop.
Yes, in New York, in Times Square, there's a giant crystal ball that slides down a pole. It takes 1 minute to drop.
It is iconic. Millions of people watch it.
What about you, Jack? Are you a homebody or are you going out?
I am the opposite this year. I'm going to a big party downtown.
Ooh, exciting. A fancy party?
A little bit fancy. I have to wear a suit and tie.
Look at you, very sharp.
I'm trying. My friend is hosting it on a rooftop, so we will be able to see the fireworks over the city.
That sounds magical. But Jack, isn't it going to be freezing cold?
Yes, that is the problem.
It will be very cold, but I will wear a thick coat and a scarf. It is worth it for the view.
I hope you have hot chocolate or something warm to drink.
I definitely will. But you know, Emma, talking about parties makes me think about emotions.
How so?
Well, New Year's Eve is fun, but sometimes it can feel a little lonely.
I know what you mean. There's a lot of pressure to have fun.
Yes, if you don't have big plans or if you are alone, you might feel sad.
And I want to tell our listeners that is completely okay.
Yes, it is.
It is okay to spend New Year's Eve alone. It is okay to just sleep. It is okay to treat it like a normal night.
Absolutely. You don't have to be at a party to be happy. You can read a book, watch a movie, or just rest. The new year will come anyway.
Exactly. The date changes no matter what we are doing, so don't feel pressure.
That is such good advice, Emma.
Thanks, Jack. Now, let's talk about traditions. I love learning about how different people celebrate.
Me too. Every family has their own little rituals.
In my family, we have a funny tradition. We open the front door and the back door at exactly midnight.
Both doors? Why?
The idea is that we are letting the old year leave through the back door and inviting the new year in through the front door.
That is so cool. I've never heard of that. It's symbolic.
Yes, it feels like we are cleaning the air. Goodbye, 2025. Hello, 2026.
In my family, it's all about food.
Tell me.
We are from the South, so we eat black-eyed peas.
Black-eyed peas. Those are beans, right?
Yes, small beans with a black spot. Tradition says if you eat them on New Year's Day, you will have good luck and money in the new year.
Money? Okay, I need to start eating black-eyed peas.
I can't promise it works, but it tastes good. We also eat greens like collard greens or spinach.
Because green is the color of money.
Exactly. It represents prosperity. Prosperity means success and wealth.
That is fascinating. In Spain, I heard they eat grapes.
Yes, 12 grapes.
1 grape for each stroke of the clock at midnight. You have to eat them very fast.
Can you imagine cheeks full of grapes? It sounds dangerous, but fun.
And in some Asian cultures, they eat long noodles.
Long noodles.
Yes, the long noodle represents a long life, so you shouldn't cut the noodle. You have to slurp it.
Slurp it. That means to make a noise while sucking the noodle into your mouth. Slurp?
Exactly like that.
I love how food connects us all. Everyone wants luck, health, and happiness.
It's true. We all want the same things.
Now, Emma, let's talk about the phrase, turn over a new leaf.
Oh, this is a beautiful idiom, to turn over a new leaf.
It sounds like we are gardening.
It does, but it actually refers to the page of a book. In Old English, a page was called a leaf.
Ah, so it means turning the page to a fresh, blank page.
Exactly. It means to start fresh, to change your behavior for the better.
So if I was lazy last year, I can turn over a new leaf and be hardworking this year.
Precisely. It is about hope. It is about believing that we can be better.
I love that. You know, Emma, after the party, after the countdown, comes the morning.
January 1st.
What is the vibe of New Year's Day for you?
For me, the vibe is quiet.
Very quiet.
The streets are empty, most shops are closed. It feels peaceful.
And usually people are sleeping in.
Sleep in. That is a great phrasal verb.
It means to sleep later than usual. If you usually wake up at 7 a.m., maybe you sleep in until 11 a.m.
It is the best feeling, waking up without an alarm clock.
Do you make a big breakfast?
We usually do brunch.
Brunch, the best meal ever invented.
It's a mix of breakfast and lunch. BRUNCH. We have pancakes, eggs, coffee, maybe some fruit salad.
Stop it. You are making me hungry again.
Food is a big part of life, Jack.
It is. On New Year's Day, I usually sit on the couch and watch the Rose Parade.
Oh, the one in California? With the floats made of flowers?
Yes, it is incredible. Every inch of the float is covered in seeds, petals, or leaves. It smells amazing, I bet.
It is so colorful. It's a nice, relaxing thing to watch while you drink coffee.
And then, football.
Ah, American football. It is a big tradition on New Year's Day.
Huge. There are bowl games all day long. My dad and I shout at the TV.
So much shouting. New Year's Eve, you shout for the countdown. New Year's Day, you shout for football.
We are a loud family. What can I say?
But you know, Jack, besides the fun, I like to take a moment to reflect.
Reflect. That means to think back about the past, deeply and carefully.
Yes, I like to sit with my journal and write down my thoughts about the last 12 months.
That is very healthy. What do you write about?
I write about what I learned. I write about the challenges I overcame.
Overcame. That means you faced a problem and you beat it. You won.
Yes, maybe I had a hard time at work, or maybe I was sick, but I got through it. I survived.
It is good to acknowledge your strength.
And I also write about gratitude.
Gratitude. Being thankful.
Yes, I write down 3 things I'm thankful for, like my health, my family, and our listeners.
Aw, Emma, that is so sweet.
It is true. I'm so grateful for the Talk Flora community.
I am too. Connecting with people learning English inspires me every day.
Listeners, what are you grateful for? You can think about it right now.
Or even better, you can tell us.
Yes, that brings us to our challenge for today.
We love giving you a little homework, but fun homework.
We want you to go to the comments section below, and we want you to answer one question.
The question is, what is your New Year's resolution?
Simple. Tell us one goal you have.
You can use the sentence structure, my resolution is to.
For example, my resolution is to study English every day.
Or, my resolution is to cook more healthy food.
Or even, my resolution is to be kind to myself.
That is a great one. Don't be afraid of making mistakes in the comments.
No, this is a safe place. We are all learning. We will read your comments and give you a heart.
We really do read them. It makes our day.
Jack, before we go, do you have any final wishes for our listeners for the new year?
I do. I wish everyone confidence.
Beautiful.
I know learning a language is hard. Sometimes it is scary to speak. But this year, I want you to be confident. Believe in yourself.
That is a wonderful wish, and I wish everyone connection. I hope you use your English to make new friends, to travel, and to understand the world better.
English is a bridge.
It is. It connects us all.
Well, this has been such a lovely conversation, Emma. I feel ready for the new year now.
Me too. I feel excited and calm at the same time.
Thank you to everyone for listening to Talk Flora.
Remember to subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us grow.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We have so many exciting videos planned for the coming year. You don't want to miss them.
Absolutely not.
So, from both of us here in the studio,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep talking.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye.